friends, my name is Shashmanshi and today I am going to teach you how to make a slide zoom effect on PowerPoint. The preview is on your screen. So let us start and see how did I make this slide zoom effect. Open the PPT presentation on which you want to add the slide zoom. Click between the two slides and add a new slide. Delete the unnecessary things on the slide. Go to Insert. From the Links group, choose Zoom, Slide Zoom. Here we have to choose our slides. So here I have chosen my slides. Now we have to click on Insert. Now we can replace them, resize them too. Hence, our slide zoom effect is ready. Let us go to slideshow to see its preview. So this was my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.